So we're gonna be making a corner hammock, and for the longest time I've been trying to figure out like how to get the edges all straight, because in the tutorial I was watching, it was not a video, it was just on the internet. It only had two measurements, which were 15 by 15, and I was like, okay, well, what about the longer piece? So I would 15 by 15, and then I would try to go do a straight line, but it would always came out kind of weird. So I just realized you do the 15 by 15, and then I'll just walk you through it, and then this is gonna be my first time making it, so hopefully this doesn't turn out horrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure 15 by 15 as a square, okay? And yeah. All right, so you got your 15 by 15. I don't use a ruler for measuring, I just use it for, drawing a straight line. I personally use measuring tape, and then once I have my two dots, then I just kind of do. So 15 by 15 square, and then we're gonna cut it out. All right, so once it's folded, you're gonna literally just take it like this and just line it up. And if you're not gonna use different fabric on the back, then actually you would fold it this way, inside out. That way when you turn it around for your outer stitch, you don't have fabric sticking out. If you're just going to use the same piece of fabric, then you could go ahead and just sew, and sew. Yeah, but make sure you leave a little gap so you can turn it inside out. I'm personally not going to use the double same fabric, so I'm going to cut out another piece of a different fabric and then pin it together and then sew. So this is the second fabric I am going to be using. I actually wish I didn't buy it by the bulk like this, but whatever. So same thing, 15 by 15 square. So right here, you're just gonna go ahead and sew your stitch. Keep it straight, and yeah. Right after that first stitch, you can cut any extra, but you just leave your little hole, and you're gonna turn it inside out, just like this, through the little hole. Get it completely turned inside out. I didn't leave the hole big enough, so I'm kind of struggling here. So yeah, just like that, turn it inside out. All right, now you're ready for your outer stitch. I just tuck and pin, and then I had a little accident right here, so I have to fix that too. So I think I'm gonna start with this side. Okay, first attempt, not bad. I don't know what happened. It's just, it is a triangle. So that's kind of all that matters. The real test is I'm gonna put it in Chowder's cage and yeah, see how it hangs. Okay, I like it. I think Chowder is trying to figure it out, because he just has these pocket flats and regular flats. Oh, hey. Go on it. Chowder, look. Look. Why are you being so difficult? Look. Don't fight my hand. Here we go. Nice. That way if he ever falls out of his little space pod, at least he has some catching. Do you like it? Nice. And it's nice to see you finally finish this little Christmas tree. Do you like it, Chowder? You don't care, do you? He lives on streets. Here's another view of it. Do you like it? Hey, Chowds. Alright.